This is the 8th question. Okay, A, B, C are the points on the circle center O. Find the obtuse angle AOC. Okay, listen. Circle theorem from your IGCSE textbook, okay? At least try to solve 15 to 20 questions. Then only this will be easy for you. Otherwise, if I explain one question, it looks easy, but another questions you can't solve it. Okay, so it's better to practice those questions. After that, try to solve the past paper. Okay, listen to me. This is the rule. Okay. This is the sector. Sector, you know, right? So this is the sector. This is a subtended angle by the sector. See, same starting point, same ending point. So this also, see, same starting and ending point. For example, this is 120 and this angle is half of that. That is 60 degree. So if you have any doubt, you can check it like that. You know how? See, look at this one. This is the starting point of this radius. This is the ending point. Same like the subtended angle also. Same starting point, same ending point. Listen here. This is the radius. Okay, this is the starting point C and this is the ending point of this subtended one. So this angle is the double of this one. Okay, that is 130 times 2, that is 260. You got it right? See, this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius. So this is the starting point, see, subtended angle. That's it. So angle around a point is, we have to find out AOC. Okay, so angle around a point is always 360 degrees. So we know this is 260. So how will you find out this angle? 360 minus 260. Okay, so 360 minus 260 will get 100 degree. Okay, next question. While the recurring decimal 0.47 bar as a fraction, show that all you are working. So first you have to take x is equal to 0.47 recurring. Okay, recurring means it's repeating. Okay, then multiply throughout by 10. You know why? Because we need to change this point here. If you want to change this point here after one number, you have to multiply it by 10. So 10x is equal to 4.777. It's recurring. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Again I have to change this point here. So again I have to multiply it by 10. So at that time this 10x becomes 100x is equal to 47.777. It's recurring. This is equation 2. Every time first you have to change one point, after number 1 point, then again you have to change it. Okay, then second equation minus first equation. Second minus first. What is 100 minus 10x? It's 90x is equal to, what is 47.777 minus, you will get 43. So how will you get the value of x? X is equal to 43 divided by 90. Next question. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Find f of 1 minus x in its simplest form. It's very easy. Instead of this x, you have to substitute 1 minus x. That's it. So f of 1 minus x is equal to 2. You have to use bracket. You know why? Because it's more than one term, right? If it is more than one term, you have to use the bracket. So instead of this x, substitute 1 minus x plus 3. So what is 2 times 1? 2 minus 2 into x is 2x plus 3. So what is 2 plus 3? 5. So the answer is 5 minus 2x. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the diagram shows 5 cards. 2 of the cards are taken at random. From this 5 cards, I'm going to take 2 cards. So 2 of the cards are taken without replacement. Find the probability that both cards show an even number. So both cards means, so 2 even numbers are there, right? So 2 is an even number. At the same time, 4 is an even number. Okay, so these are the 2 cards. So first, if I take 4, second chance 2 will come. If I take 2, the second way 4 will come. Okay, this is the way, because in 2 cases, first maybe 4 will come, after that 2 will come, or first 2 then 4 comes. Okay, so if I take 4, out of 5 cards, 1 card. Okay, then if I take 2, already first you have to consider this cards, then if you come to the second one, this denominator will reduce to 4. Okay, because I already took 1 card, right? Then how many cards are left? 4 cards. From 4 cards, 1 card. Okay, same like that. Here, if I take 2, 1 divided by 5. So, the second card, it comes after this one, right? So, 1 card I already took. What is the chances of getting the second one? This 5 will reduce to 4. It's 1. Okay, then you have to add it. So 1 times 1 is 1 divided by 20 plus 1 divided by 20, that is 2 divided by 20 is equal to 1 by 10. Because see, if I take 4, that means out of 5 cards I took 1. Okay, because the second one comes after the first one, right? So already took 1 card means the 4 is left. Out of 4 I took 1 card. Okay, second question. 12, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. From the list of the numbers, write down multiples of 7. So 1 times 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, like that. These are the multiples. Is it a 27 is the multiple of 7? No. 28? Yes. 29? No. 30, 31, 30? No. So 28 is the answer. Next. A cube number. Cube number means, okay, of course, okay, we have some doubts, from here is 27 is a cube number or something like that. If you have any doubt or something like that, take the cube root. Using your calculator, take the cube root. Take the cube root of 27, you will get 3. You should get a whole number. If you get a point or something, it's not a cube number. Okay, 28. If you take the cube root of 29, you will get the answer in points. 29 also, you will get the answer in a point. So you can't take it. So the answer is 27. Next question. A prime number. So what do you mean by a prime number? A prime number means a number divisible by same number or 1. That is known as prime number. A number divisible by only, for example, 27. It's divisible of 27. Yes. At the same time 1. But it's also a multiple of 3 and 9. So you can't take 29. So 28 also. It's a multiple of 2. At the same time 28 and 1. No. 29. No. It can only divisible by 29 or 1. 30, no. 31, yes, it's only divisible by 31 or 1. So the answer is 29 or 31. Next. X square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to x plus a the whole square plus b square. So the two most important identities are, so once again, x square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to x plus a the whole square plus b. So first, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next, a minus b the whole square is equal to 2ab plus b square. First, you have to study this two identity, because in algebra 1 and algebra 2, we need this identity to solve the problems. So first, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I will just explain one question here, not related to this one, using this identity. Then it's easy for you all to solve this question. For example, x plus 2 the whole square. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So consider this is a, this is b. Okay, first a square, that means x square, plus 2 times ab, that means a is x, b is 2, x times 2, plus b square, b is 2 here, 2 square, that is x square plus 4x plus 4. Same like that. Can we solve this question? Okay, if it is a minus b the whole square, I will explain that question later. So x square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to, please expand this one. How? X square plus 2 into x into a plus a square plus b. Okay, Then again x square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square plus b square. Sorry, not b square, sorry, it's b. Okay, b. Next, listen. So, next you have to substitute it. See, first take the x term. X is there. Here also x is there. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x here? 2a. What is the coefficient of x here? 4. So 4 is equal to 2a. That is 4 divided by 2 is equal to a. That is a is equal to 2. First part over. Second, this a square plus b square, that is equal to minus 10, because consider this is a constant term. A square plus b square is a constant term. So substitute. How? Every time, why I'm repeating b square, because the formula is related to a plus b the whole square is going to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sorry for that. It's a square plus b is equal to minus 9. So a square plus b is equal to minus 9. So what is a here? Already we got it here. 2 square plus b is equal to minus 9. Then 4 plus b is equal to minus 9. Then b is equal to minus 9 minus 4 is equal to minus 13. So what are the two values we got it? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13. Simple. Okay, next question. Okay, in this question number 14, most of them, right, they will use LCM method, but I don't like to use LCM method because LCM method is little bit complicated. So it's better to use cross multiplication. Know how? 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3. We'll get answer within 2 steps. Just do cross multiplication. You know how? First from here, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 6s are 12 by 6 3s are 18. Okay, so how will you solve this question? 5 3s are 15 plus 2 6s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. So what is 15 plus 12? 7 2. Okay, 27, right? So otherwise you can use your calculator. 15 plus 12. So 5 7 2 27. So 27 divided by 18. Okay, then you have to simplify more. Just do like that. Just do cross multiplication. No need to make the denominator same or like. It's complicated. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 6s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. That's it. Okay, so 27 by 18 is a multiple of 3, right? 9 3s are 27, 6 3s are 18. Again, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 3 by 2. If you want to write in mixed fraction, you can make it as 1 by 2. Okay. Next, expand and simplify. So first listen. First take this x term. Write x multiplied by x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2 plus keep it the same thing. Okay. Once again, first x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. So first what is x times x? X square plus x into 2, 2x plus 1 into x, x plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2x into x is 2x square minus plus into minus becomes minus 3 2s are 6x. Okay, then like terms x square plus 2x square is 3x square. 2x plus x is 3x. What is 3x minus 6s? You will get minus 3x. Now why? 2 plus 1 is 3. Then what is 3x minus 6x? Two different terms, right? Subtract it. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Then minus 6. That's why I wrote it here. Okay. Then what's the last number? Plus 2. Okay. So 3x square minus 3x plus 2 is the final answer. 3x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. Next. Directly proportional and inversely proportional. Y is inversely proportional. First you have to write like that. Y is inversely proportional. You have to write like that. 1 by something. Okay. Y is inversely proportional to 1 by square root of x plus 1. So I need to remove the proportionality sign, right? So you have to write y is equal to k divided by root of x plus 1. Okay, so what is the y value here? Every time, okay, all the directly and inverse questions, they will give you the value of y and x to find out the k value. Using that k value and one x value, you can find out the remaining. Okay, so what is y here? It's given 2 is equal to k divided by root of, what is x here? 8 plus 1. So 2 is equal to k divided by root 9. So root 9 we all know that it's 3. So 2 is equal to k by 3. Here 3 is divide. When it comes to this side is multiplication. We'll get k is equal to 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Okay, next. Find y when x is equal to 9. Okay, first we got the value using this x and y, right? K. So write k is equal to 6. Next, x is equal to 99. Have to find out the value of y, question mark. So use the general equation, the first equation. So y is equal to k divided by root of x plus 1. What is y? I don't know. I have to find out the value. Y is equal, what is k? I already got it here from here. 6 divided by root of, what is x? 99 plus 1 is equal to 6 by root of 100 is equal to 6 divided by 10. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. What is 3 divided by 5? I will get 0.6. Because it's root, right? So I have to take it, okay, plus or minus. That's it. If it is root, because for example, if it is root of 1 is plus or minus 1. Same like that. So you will get an answer plus or minus 0.6. Next, factorize. P square minus q square, it's an identity again. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here, p square minus q square, have to write it p plus q into p minus q. That is the answer. Next, again, what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Same, what is p square minus q square? P plus q into p minus q is equal to 7. So p minus q is given, just substitute over here. So p plus q is into 2 is equal to 7. So p plus q is equal to 7 by 2. Over. Next, simplify 81y the whole power, 81y power 16 the whole. So look at the denominator is 4, right? So you have to represent this 81 in terms of 4. Now how 81 in power of 4 means 3 power 4. Every time if the denominator is 2, represent the number in terms of that power is 2. 3 power 4, y power 16, the whole power 3 by 4. Then multiply the powers. How? 3 power 4 times 3 by 4 into y power 16 times 3 by 4. Okay, so 4 will cancel, we'll get 3 cube times y power. 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16, y power 12. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, y power 12. Next question. 2 cube is equal to 4 power p. Have to find out the value of p. If it is 2 here, this side also you have to make it 2. You know, 2 square is 4, right? So 2 cube is equal to 2 square the whole power p. Okay, so 2 cube is equal to, just multiply the powers, 2p. So the base is same, so 3 is equal to 2p. 3 is equal to 2p, so 3 by 2 is equal to p. So answer is 3 by 2.